Yeah, so right now we're gonna be driving to Canepa. We got off early so we could go check out some cars at Canepa. So it's gonna be fun.
So it goes that last one to pull up to this parking lot takes Goose on the way back.
Okay. Dang, you're mad about that?
Yeah, dude. You gotta drive the speed limit.
Goose, if you had your Integra, you would have.
I would have gone fucking speed limit.
Speed limit, guys. We're gonna get put in jail.
Dude, you're mad for sure. You're hella mad.
Why you gotta be the only
And he's right in the middle, too.
You probably hella crooked, too. Bro, dude, you ruined our fucking...
I know. Well, dude, it's easy. Just pull up and that's it. Welcome to my place, guys. Sorry. Have you been here? No? This is my first time, too.
Yo también.
Yo también. Sick. Alright, dude, look at that. This thing's nice. The carbon wheels. Oh shit, this is a lot. Oh.
It is one of three.
One of three?
Yeah. And it's one of three factory Le Mans production Cobras.
Dude, it looks like an airplane almost. The seats are nice. They look comfy, huh? This thing is sick. Holy shit, look at that tank back there.
Is that tea?
What?
It looks like tea.
It looks like, I think it is. I think it's tight. Dang, this one's really sick. I really like this one. With the tricycle in the back. Dang, that steering wheel's nice. Good idea. This one's cool. I really like that one. Alright, Goose, what car would you pick here?
The blue one over there.
The blue one?
You see this?
No.
Go check it out. You're already. What's the value of this hobby?
What does it look like this?
Yeah, I don't know. Pretty good, pretty good.
Holy shit, with the titanium exhaust?
Yeah, they like how
This car, how much you think it was? I think it right now, while like 25, 25, yeah, probably. Yeah.
Damn, look how crazy this splitter is. It's like joined together. This one's nice. Oh shit.
I need one of these for the ranch.
For the ranch? This is insane. The amount of downforce that this thing has is probably crazy. I think this is my favorite one right here. I would love to drive a full-on race car like that.
Look at the exhaust on those.
The exhaust? What the?
Wastegate, bro.
Holy.
Wastegate over there.
Dude, this is hella sick.
Look at that fat ass wastegate, bro.
And then a little pipa. Dude. I mean, the interior is really clean too. Oh, we're going upstairs already? Hey, apparently he's in a meeting right now. You're hungry? Can I get a push? Inside joke at the shop.
One-seater?
What the hell?
Oh, look at that engine, dude.
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
It's a Ford Indy engine.
Ford Indy.
Is it Cosworth?
Water cooled double overhead cam V8.
Wow, look at these. Fuck. Judd Phillips. Strap up, Randy. Get in.
Oh, hell no. I'd be hella scared, dude.
That's insane. Oh, no way.
Look at the rear thing.
This car is super iconic. Oh my god. Yeah. I hella like this one. Dude, seeing it in person is insane. There's a filter inside. Dude, the details on this one is sick.
Hey, you see where the starter is? I think it was.
SoCal Speed Shop?
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, look at how
Holy shit, the fit. That's crazy. Hearst. Twin turbo 5? I'm gonna say 10 mil.
Keep going.
What?
Sold at auction for, I don't know about this particular one, but one of the 25 sold at auction for 16.5 mil.
It looks like it is.
It's a V12. 3.6. There's a V12 in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the same thing, bro. See how they have the turbine on the top?
Yeah.
It probably cools down all 12 cylinders.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hey, is that Bruce Canepa? Look at that Bronco.
That rock was sick.
Is that a P1?
Yeah.
We're in a field trip. PM field trip. Yeah. Bro, this is so sick. This wall has a lot of cars.
It felt so full before.
Tell me about it. For real.
I'm gonna hop in my 240.
I felt pretty cool in my V8.
Alright, so that pretty much concludes the vlog. I will be heading home now. I'm pretty tired. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe and follow all the cool content that I got going on. More videos coming of racing and different stuff. So see you guys.